Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to see Roblox password. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. If you want to see your password or in case that you forgot it, first things first, if you go to your Roblox and tap on settings and go to your account, under the password section, if you tap this one right here, then you can only see asterisk for security purposes. So there is no icon here to see your password. But if you right click and tap on this show save all password, then it will take you directly to your Google account. Make sure that this is the Gmail or Google account that you have a link to your Roblox. So let's do it again. Right click, show all saved passwords. Then it will take you to your password manager where you can see all applications right here that you have used this Google account. And all you have to do is to look or find for Roblox. You can type on Roblox on the search icon or scroll down here. So here is the Roblox. I have 8 accounts. In order for me to see the password, I just select the account and tap on the icon right here to see or show password. After that, I can copy and paste it wherever I wish. So that's how easy it is to see a Roblox password. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.